Hi there, it's Rando York. I've received this parcel, which is very minimalistic, and let's see whether the thing inside has survived. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Doesn't seem to be broken, at least the body of the locomotive is still intact. This is a Jouef wind-up locomotive. The key hasn't been delivered, but was delivered later, so I had to wind it up with a special tool, and here we go. It's working perfectly well. That's it's always nice to see. Just playing around with it, works perfectly well, and let's see how smooth the motor runs. I really think these are nice little machines, and it's good to have a few of these in your collection too. Very simple mechanics, but has clearly stood the test of time. It's a very well preserved locomotive, and I'll just put it down and let it run until it stops. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.